Hi everybody, I hope everybody's well and having a lovely day. Now what I'd like to talk to you about today, if you can stop interrupting, right, I know it's all about you. Yes? Is it all about you? Now, with Budgies, I'd like to talk to you about grabbing budgies. Now, with our Sammy, the last time I had to physically hold her in my hand, and you wouldn't believe how small a budgie is in your hand. It's really tiny. I mean, she doesn't look it here on my shoulder, but compared to your hand, a budgie's tiny. It's really small, and you could